Hello traders, do you want to learn about a powerful tool that can radically change your trading? Imagine that you can trade the currency pairs 24 into 7 with a high percentage of the profit and more liquidity. Does it sound tempting? Welcome to the world of the over-the-counter currency pairs, or as I call them, OTC. I am Rahul and I am ready to share with you my experience and the knowledge in this field. I will tell you how to use this strategy efficiently and maximize your profits. Don't miss the chance to change your trading and reach new heights in carrying money from the trading. Every Friday, I start a marathon that lasts until Sunday inclusive. In our closed channel, I share a lot of trading signals and each participant gets the opportunity to go into the plus, and this is a great opportunity to immerse yourself in the trading as a learn and earn money with us. So join us and I am waiting for you at the marathon. OTC stands for the over the counter, which means off the exchange. This means that transactions do not go through centralized exchange such as the stock market. Instead, they are agreed directly between the parties, which allow for a more flexible approach to the terms of the trade. In the over-the-counter market, transactions take the place between two parties through a dealer, unlikely an exchange where many traders participate. This creates more personal and individual conditions for the transaction. Another difference is the place where the trade takes place. OTC can be used through the various channels as like phone, email or computers, whereas the exchange always has its own physical location for the trading opportunities. Today, OTC is a global network where the trading is conducted around the clock, opening up huge opportunities for the traders. So, do you want round-the-clock trading with maximum benefits? Take a look at my Telegram channel. There is a live trading bot that issues the signals specifically for your needs. You can trade directly from your phone, which is like incredible convenient and allow you not to miss any opportunity. This bot is reliable and effective. It contains my favorite technical analysis indicators and strategies with a high win rate, which significantly increases your chance of the success. If you want to learn more and become a part of our community, just follow the link in the description of this video and write to me in the private messages. I am waiting for you. Now let's summarize. OTC currency pairs are really cool because they offer flexibility in the agreeing terms of the transactions, work around the clock, have high liquidity and a wide range of the assets, loss regulations, and the profitability of the direct interaction with the counterparties also make them very attractive to the traders. Now let's go to the platform and I will show you how to trade effectively on the OTC pairs. Here we are on the Olymp trade platform. First you need to put the Japanese candlesticks. Now let's move on to the indicators themselves. Today the strategy is very simple. It is necessary to include only CCI. You can see the settings on the screen. Today I will trade on the OTC pair USD CAD. The initial balance today is $150 and the transaction time is 1 minute. And now let's start our trading session. It's time for the first deal. I open a deal for an increase of the $150 as I observe an inversion of the Bollinger Bands. The price touched the lower limit, which often foreshadows an upward rebound. This confirms my analysis and I expect that the price will break through the upper limit of the band, which will give a signal or continued growth. In the meantime, we are waiting for the completion of the transaction. The perfect start, friends. The balance has grown to $289 and that's great. Let's keep trading. I open a second trade for an increase of the $259. As I observe an inversion of the Bollinger Bands, the price touched the lower limit, which indicate a possible upward rebound. In addition, the support level is held and the price does not break through it, which create a good base for the growth. These signals have gave me confidence that the price will go up and I expect a profitable result from this trade. Wow! The second transaction was also completed successfully and the balance increased to the $530 guys. Let's not stop and let's go open the last deal. I opened the last trade for an increase of $500 as I observe an inversion of the Bollinger Bands when the price touched the lower limit, which often foreshadows an upward rebound. the support level is held and the price does not break through it, creating a solid base for possible growth. In addition, the indicator shows like oversold, which increases the profitability of the reverse movement, and the trading volume increases, which indicates an increase in the interest in the assets. It's very simple. There is $995 in my balance. Just in 5 minutes ago, there was only $100. Impressive, friends. I know that yes, you can also do that if you stick to my profit strategy. These are the results I already have, and you can achieve the success in the trading too. So it's time to think about personal mentoring. This is a one-on-one job with me, where I not only give the signals but also support at every stage. We will analyze the how to trade confidently, use the signals correctly, and consistently make a profit. I knew how the changes the approach to the trading. So because I have walked this path myself, and don't miss the chance to develop your skills with me. So start moving towards success. All links are in the description, and I will be glad to see you in my team.